Miss Christine here with another short video lesson. Before we get started, let's review our finger numbers. Yes, so you should know your thumbs are number 1, index fingers are number 2, middle fingers are number 3, ring fingers are finger number 4, and your pinkies are finger number 5. All right, let's get to our music. So the first note that I want to talk about is the quarter note. You've seen this note. It is has a stem with a note head filled in, and you should know that it is a sound that lasts for 1 count. For example, ta. All right, and if you need a review, I have a video in the description or where you can review all about quarter notes and of course quarter rest. And let's talk about the quarter rest. All right, so here is a quarter rest, and a quarter rest is a silence in music that lasts 1 beat. So don't get confused. A quarter note, we hear a sound, and a quarter rest, we're resting for the 1 beat, okay? Next, I want to review the half note. The half note looks like similar to the quarter note, but the difference is it has a stem, but the note head is not filled in. This is a half note, and a half note has a sound. We hold that sound for 2 counts or 2 beats. 1, 2. Okay, so we're holding it. So you see my little heartbeats letting you know that ta. All right, so that's our half note. And of course, we have a half rest. Kind of looks like a top hat. I tend to draw a little smiley face. Music makes me happy. And it is a silence in music that lasts for two beats. A silence in music that lasts for 2 beats. So we're resting for 2 beats. Shh. Okay, nothing. Just those 2 beats. Shh. And of course, I have my top hat to help you remember the half rest. Now we can move over to our song. Let's do it. All right, so the name of our piece is called Rhythm Ride. Let's dive into it. So the first thing we're going to deal with is our finger position. We have to know where to put our hands. So we're dealing with the 2 black keys. So look on your keyboard and find a group of 2 black keys. Once you find it, excellent. Now let's talk about our finger numbers. We're dealing with finger numbers 2, index finger, and finger number 3, okay? So this is what it should look like bunny ears, okay? So get your hand position on your keyboard, and let's start with the left hand. Now the lyrics for the left hand is rhythm, rhythm, take a ride. Notice we have that half note, okay? So let's work on the left hand. 1, 2, follow me. Rhythm, rhythm, take a ride. Excellent. Now let's go to the right hand. Here we go. Are you ready? So we're going to find a group of 2 black keys, but it's going to be a little bit higher. This is the right hand playing a little bit higher than the left hand. Let's go over the lyrics. Clap your hands and step in stride. Again, we have our half note, and of course we have to repeat. So we would repeat from the very beginning. All right, let's work on the right hand. 1, 2, follow me. Clap your hands and step in stride. All right, and then we would repeat with the left hand. Let's put both hands together. Here we go. 1, 2, follow me. Rhythm, rhythm, take a ride. Right hand, clap your hands and step in stride. Repeat. Rhythm, rhythm, take a ride. Right hand, clap your hands and step in stride. Excellent. excellent, excellent work. All right, so that's how I want you to practice rhythm ride. If you need to review, just review. And I'll see you in the classroom.